we are the leading provider of advanced and sustainable waterproofing, urban greenery and stormwater solutions for the building and landscaping industries around the world. Staying ahead of the competition is a constant pressure. That's why we invest heavily in R&D and use appropriate technology to ensure our business runs efficiently and be prepared for growth. We have international offices in Australia, Germany, Switzerland and United States, and export represents about 70% of our business.
Managing a global business like ours is a daily challenge. Our previous legacies required manual entries in almost everything that we do. Implementing Epicor solutions help us to synchronize the multiple systems and consolidate the information across the entire organization. Within Epicor solution itself, we're able to customize business rules and processes that enhance our organization responsiveness. Epicor solution actually has strengthened our business scalability, and we're able to face new business challenges now with more confidence. What that took us 5 days will now be accomplished within 2 days. We gain visibility into our product and inventory management. That also means that we have better control of our accounts receivable, which improves our cash management. After Epicor implementation, it enhances our efficiencies and free up our time to relook at business opportunities and challenges and focus on more add-value tasks.